Hey, what's up mga chong? It's me again, Matt or Techonsite. So, quick video tayo about Elgato Stream Deck. So, probably, especially dun sa mga streamer, baka you're using already yung Elgato Stream Deck. So, but actually, it's not just for streamers. So, kung hanap nyo is just simply productivity. So, itong umaga parang macro keys will also be applicable for not just for gaming but for productivity purposes. So, with the quick buttons, unlike using yung sa keyboard nyo. So, very useful din yung Elgato Stream Deck uh, just for productivity purposes. So, yun. I'm using now yung Elgato. I'm using OBS. And then, so by the way, hindi to um, thorough setup or tutorial about Elgato Stream Deck kasi I just got this Elgato Stream Deck just today. So I'm still figuring out how to set it up and how to use it thoroughly. So ngayon ko pala nakuha and actually I got this just as a second hand. So second hand ko nakuha to. But actually there are other items available online pero medyo um, uh, exaggerated yung price na nakikita ko dito sa Lazada. Although this one, ito yung tamang price, around 8,100. Pero I got mine second hand just for 5,000 pesos. Okay. So, yeah, first of all, so connector nito is through USB. So, yung first um, um, way is na kailangan yung install is yung software ng Elgato, which is Elgato EN Gaming Downloads. So, if you're using Mac or Windows, so just install yung version na para sa OS nyo. And then, yeah. So, pag na-install nyo na, in my situation, I've already installed it. So, ito yung software. So, yan. Um, so, yan, tingnan natin. So, basically from here, pwede kayong mag-create ng different profiles. So, mayroong 15 buttons in all yung Elgato. But actually, parang unlimited yung keys niya. Since sa loob mismo ng Elgato, you can create subfolders and you can create different folders and you can move from one folder to another and even one profile to another. So parang unlimited siya. So para sa akin, with that feature, um, mas effective siya compared if you're using macro keys sa keyboard because parang nagiging unlimited yung buttons using itong Elgato Stream Deck. Yan. So, ito yung typical setup ko. I used um, ito, let's say, shortcut for typical applications that I'm using like Chrome, Windows Explorer, Lightroom. But actually, there are a lot more na napansin ko dito. So, you can create multi-actions. Yan, let's say, dito sa multi-action na create ko, I can create multi-actions for opening common websites na ino-open ko. Let's say, ito, COL Financial. You can just simply manually type the URL or you can also just simply copy and paste. You can put a title kung anong gusto nyong lagyan ng title. Okay? But I prefer na walang title. So, alisin natin yung title. Ayan. So, yan. You can create multi-action based kung ano yung gusto nyo. Ayan. So, pwedeng tatlo. Multi-action sabay-sabay siya kung website ba yung i-open niya. So that's possible. Pero let me just delete this. Okay. So, pwede rin kayong mag-create ng folder. So, kung ano yung, depende kung ano yung gusto nyong ilagay. So, basically, drag and drop lang yung pag-setup nito. So, pwede kayong, let's say, switch profile, multi-action. Ayan. So, delete ko lang. Okay, so delete lang natin para hindi siya cluttered. Ayan, so pero basically, yan, napakaraming options na pwede nyong gawin. Pero yung common na ginagawa ko is open from system, dina-drag and drop ko lang dito. Tapos, yan, open an application. Ito yun, open. And from there, you can open an app or a file. Pwede nyong i-browse. Yan, kung ano yung app or kung ano yung shortcut. Ayan. So, automatic na kikita niya kung ano yung title. Nilalagyan na rin niya. Tapos yung icon nung application, automatic niyang na ilalagay. Makikita nyo dito yung exe file and yung path niya. So you can either just simply drag and drop or you can browse it manually. Pwede nyo ring mag-create ng iset from file yung icon. So mag-download lang kayo ng JPEG or PNG or BMP na file format na icon from Google. And then pwede nyo siyang iset. So, but you can also create an icon automatically. So pag clinic nyo yung create an icon, papupunta siya dun sa create an icon page ng Elgato. So, pwede kayong mag-select. Pag clinic nyo yung save file, ma-download yun sa system nyo. And then, pwede nyong i-set dito. I-browse nyo na lang. Ayan. So, this is very handy kasi madali nyong ma-download yung pwede kayong mag-create ng customized icon. Pwede kayong mag-check sa Google or pwede nyong i-create mismo dito sa Elgato Key Creator. Ayan. So, balik tayo dito sa Stream Deck. So, pwede rin tayo mag-play ng Spotify. So, pwede nyong lagyan ng authorization sa Spotify yung Elgato Stream Deck. Pwede rin kayo mag-create ng pag clinic nyo to, mag-auto shutdown yung machine. Ayan, shutdown.exe. So, yan, basically. And ang common use ko is ito. So, ito nasa switch ako ng ibang profile. Yan. So, drinag and drop ko lang tong switch profile na to from Stream Deck. And then, nilagay ko kung anong profile siya mapupunta. So, pwede nyo i-select. Pwede nyo ring, yan, pwede nyong nag-create ako ng subfolder, tapos nilagyan ko na lang ng icon ng OBS. Tapos, yan. So, ito, pwede ako mag-move from one scene to another na create ko sa OBS. And then, yan dito, nag-create ako ng start-stop recording sa OBS. Ang kagandahan din nito, pwedeng i-integrate nyo sa voice mode. Ayan, so kaya lang hindi ko pa mapagana, kinakaba ko pa to. Hindi ko pa mapagana sa OBS. Pero basically, that's it. As you can see, itong Elgato Stream Deck is not just for streaming. So, pwede rin siya for productivity, office productivity. So, these are macro keys na parang unlimited siya. 15 keys by default, pero pwede nyo siyang i-customize, lagyan nyo ng multi-actions or um, different profiles and different folders. So, yan. So, kung halimbawa, na naubusan na kayo ng ng keys, pwede nyong i-right click and then move to folder. So yan, so automatic mo move na siya sa folder. Pwede nyo rin siyang alisin kung gusto nyo, i-drag nyo lang, tapos yan, ilagay nyo doon. So yun, ganun ka dali siyang i-set up. I-delete ko lang. Ayan. So marami siyang features na pwede nyong ma-customize. So ayan, as I've said, kinakapa ko pa siya to. I just got it for a few hours today. So maybe I'll create further another video paano i-set up tong Elgato Stream Deck. Ayan. So nakakatulong yung subscription nyo. Please subscribe to my channel so you'll get notified with my future videos. Thank you.